What you doing, Amor?
I am getting ready to leave.
Maybe your shirt has an indication of what's happening.
Maybe.
It looks pretty gay.
It looks inclusive.
So does your Mickey backpack.
Yay!
Yay! That must mean one thing. We are going to Orlando, Walt Disney World for what? Gay Days 2024. So we're about to do a little road trip. We're taking you with us. We're heading up a day early. We're going to be checking into the Lake Buena Vista. Oh, I guess Mickey's coming in. Oh boy. The Lake Buena Vista Holiday Inn, which is one of the good neighbor resorts at Disney World. We're staying one night there, and then we're checking into Disney Vacation Club, Grand Floridian, theme park view. Oh my God, super excited for the festivities and the shenanigans and all that's gonna happen in Orlando for 2024.
Gay Days.
Gay Days. Join us. We kicked off day one at Disney Springs. We haven't been to the Gateway to Discovery, which is the Disney Vacation Welcome Home Center. So let's go in and check it out. Right, Amor?
Vamos a
Go check out the DVC. That's cool. I like the big globe as you walk in.
Hello.
Hello.
You see they have a pin on
Oh, for Costa Rica. Yeah, because
the
the-
location thing that they do.
yeah,
The whole globe, if you look at the outside trim, everything's color coded to the pins on the map.
matches. Cool.
So it tells you like everything in orange is Adventures by Disney, everything in blue is what Disney Vacation Club physically owns, and you can walk around and check out the map.
Very cool.
It takes 60 full seconds for the globe to make one rotation.
There, you heard it there, folks. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, Adventures by Disney. That's what. We have a friend of ours that's a host of that, and just was in Costa Rica not too long ago, and over in Europe. So all of the orange pins are Adventures by Disney, and the blue are the DVC resorts, and the purple are Disney Cruise Line, and the yellow are National Geographic spots. Very cool. We're kicking off our Gay Days weekend at Chef Art Smith's Homecomin, which happens to be our favorite restaurant here at Disney Springs. And I'm kicking it off with a little cocktail, little moonshine. It's called the Tropical Itch. Oh, there it is. He's having the strawberry ranch water. And for our dinners, he's having the shrimp and grits, and I'm gonna have the famous fried chicken. And our appetizer, of course, is gonna be the Chef Art's famous deviled eggs. After our delicious meal, we decided to check out some Pride merchandise and Donald's 90th birthday merchandise before going to Dreams That Soar, the new drone show.
But this one has love in different languages.
Oh yeah, that's cool. All right, as everybody knows, Donald is Juan Carlos's favorite character.
So cute.
You like that?
I think my favorite.
Which one is your favorite?
This one.
That one's your favorite?
Yeah. It's got more details.
Well, it goes all the way from the original Donald all the way through to current times. And the cool thing is he hasn't changed that much except since the 1940s when he was introduced.
Yeah. Like this one has buttons, but this one doesn't have any.
Yeah.
So I like this, like more details. And I prefer the white hat. Very cute.
Super cute. Then there's more Donald over here, look. This year is Donald's 90th anniversary, by the way, as shown by this shirt right here. 90 years of Donald. There he is through the years here too. Donald through the years. We're at the World of Disney now, and this is the Pride collection. This year they got Stitch wearing his Pride. These cool jerseys. Ooh, Juan Carlos has got a sparkly Spirit jersey.
I think they had this last year.
No, it's a little different than last year. Each year they come out a little different. What else do we got? We got Pride R3RN8W, which is R3 Rainbow. That's really cute. Some children's clothes. Oh, Juan Carlos is going to give us a little snap. Walt Disney World Pride. Little Pride collection throw. We got the Rainbow Mickey. Little onesie for the infants. Turning around, we got the black t-shirt with the Rainbow Mickey. Love it. Gotta love to see it. Some rainbow ears with all of the love in all the different languages, including the backpack. This is like the Disney World of Color logo from California in a rainbow. And again, we got the Disney Pride collection. Love to see the little Walt Disney World Pride magnet. Classic Mickey hands with the rainbow. Mickey on his little love rainbow.
Got this.
I do like this magnet, Amor. I think we need one. Can you grab one? Yeah, that needs to go on our refrigerator at home. We got some Pride tumblers over here. Very cool. Some Mickey sweatshirts over there. They got this great shirt. I really like it, except it's got a pocket. I just don't like shirts with pockets. So that's a no-go for me. And in addition to the tumblers, we've got some Walt Disney World coffee mugs. Got the castle on the inside, and a little Pride on the front. Very cute. And there he is, the big cheese being all happy and gay. We're having a little Starbucks moment. So this might be a little tip or trick for all of you. We came to the Starbucks on the west side, and we noticed there were a couple tables on the outside. So they make everybody go all the way down to the House of Blues on the far end, on the west side of Disney Springs, for the viewing area for Dreams That Soar. But over here at Starbucks, there's a little outdoor seating area. So we got ourselves a little table, we got ourselves some sustenance. In about 30 minutes, the show's gonna start. So this might be a good little spot. We'll let you know, we'll show you what our view is from here, but right now I'll show you the view. And if you look up there in the sky, you'll see some little blue dots. So those little blue dots are actually drones up in the sky. I think they're sort of probably doing a test for wind or something. But here we are. Looks like a pretty good spot to me. What do you think, Amor?
Yeah, loving it.
Yeah. Plus we have a place to sit, and it's a little elevated, so it'll be above the people's heads that are down below. Plus the whole show is up in the sky, so I think it's going to be good.
Good evening. Right here, underneath the starlit sky, a timeless adventure is about to unfold. Inspired by the magic makers, heroes, and dreamers who have come before. Now, unleash your heart, let your imagination fly, and discover just where you'll go as we present Disney Dreams That Soar. no limit to how far you can go when you have dreams that soar.
Well, Amor, what do you think of that show?
That's amazing.
Yeah, Dreams That Soar. I love the song.
Yeah.
I love everything about it. It like touched me. I actually got a little emotional. I did. Yeah. It was beautiful. And
well done.
this is a great place to watch it. You're
It's a great
elevated
location.
above all the people down there. So yeah, our little tip to you,
Little drink.
grab yourself a coffee about 30 to 45 minutes before the show.
Just chill.
Get yourself a little seat out on the patio behind the West Side Starbucks.
But don't cheat. If you're coming here, you better get something.
Yeah, get something, spend a little money. But yeah, this is a great little spot. So that's our tip for you from us, the gays of DVC.